Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 18th of September and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we're going to look at the charts on the Dow Jones. Now the index moved to a new high on Friday. We've got no resistance to the upside. It was a very powerful move. It was a break of a flag, bounced off the moving averages, and we expect this rally to continue. So here we have the daily. You can see that there was a flag from the high of the 8th of August through to the 8th of September. Very short-term flag, but we broke quite decisively upwards. The 50-day had given support as it should have during that flag, which was very positive. And it was very positive that the minor resistance that we were seeing from the downtrend in 20-day didn't cause any hassle. We broke through it, broke the trend, and we've had now 7 up days on the trot. Is it going to continue? Well, momentum is strong. You can see a good uptrend on the RSI. That's presently at 70.97, which is good. And you can see that the MACD also signalled a buy on the break of the flag as the short term moved along above the longer term. So that's all positive. On the RSI, there will be some who are a bit concerned that even at 70.95, we're not at the highs that was achieved on the highs of the 4th of August, which was just below the 80. However, the down days of the 4th and 5th of September will be dropping out of the calculation in the next 4 days. So even if the market actually goes sideways, the RSI will push on higher. And you can only see a non-confirmation when we actually do get a pullback on the index. So watch it, but be aware that we're not concerned at the moment. Moving on to the weekly, here you can see that the flag was a very short-term flag. We've now broken up. Perhaps we're getting marginally overextended from the moving averages, but they're still moving up. So any sideways move and that they will catch up. But it all looks good. Again, on the RSI, we are presently at 71.9. That's below the peak of 78.3 that we achieved in early August. Be aware of that. Just keep an eye on it. No concern at the moment. Here, the MACD are flatlining, so not showing as much positive momentum. But we've only had that 1 week of the break so far. It'll take a couple of weeks for that to tick upwards. On the shorter term, here we have the 4-hour chart. You can see that we had golden crosses on the 20, 50, 200, all virtually at the same point, which was a very interesting move. And that from there was obviously going to be further upside, which did occur. That was a very, very strong buy signal. At the moment, maybe slightly overextended from the 20 and the 50, but the 20 is moving up at such a quick pace that it will soon catch up on any sideways consolidation. Here, the RSI showing no sign of any non-confirmation, 76.59 near a high on the 4-hour, and the MACD ticking along at the top. At the top of the range with the short term above the long term. Looking at the support and resistance levels on the Dow, well, there's no resistance. We're at an all-time high with supports coming in at the 20-day and the 50-day, 21.955 and then 21.852. Thanks for watching this video on the Dow Jones. I hope you found it of interest. The key takeaways should be that it still looks okay. We had great movement from those moving averages. The daily RSI not at a high yet, but it will move higher as those 2 days drop out, and the weekly is breaking up from a flag. Many thanks for watching the video. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, do click that subscription button. It means you get email updates on any further videos I come out with. I don't just do equity indices, I cover individual stocks both in the UK and the US, the FX markets and the commodity markets. Please remember these videos are my opinions and are not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.